Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I came with a very attractive, wonderful and informative video. Really it is most informative and one can take lots of information from this video, and that video is related to two things: wealth, health and character. We know it very well. We all are familiar with these three words: wealth, health and character. But what is the importance in our life? We also know it, but I want to focus. If we lose any of them, what will we receive the effect by losing of any one of them or by losing of all? First, I want to discuss over the wealth. Generally, we take the wealth into form liquid or permanent. In other words, it is called asset also. Liquid asset is related to money, which up to a simple amount, a little amount of money we can use as per our need in market or at some other places. People take it a liquid money, and most among us supply our needs by using the liquid money. And solid or permanent asset is related to our different kinds of the asset, like landed property, house, vehicles, ornaments and some other assets like this, that are not easily of any amount can be played in market or not movable. So one thing, we all have seen that the person who is financially rich or having the more and more liquid money nowadays, he is financially poor. He has lost most of his liquid money or permanent asset also, but they are having the reputation. They have not lost their reputation. They get respect everywhere and they move here and there boldly. They are fearless. People do not begin to blame on them. So what I want to tell, if I lose wealth, it can be regained. We can do hard physical and mental labor. We can balance ourselves in regard of that wealth. So we can earn wealth. There is not much more effect fall on us if I lose money. Some people say that I have pickpocketed. Definitely, a few people, these types of the happening occur with some among us. But after 2 or 3 days or after a month, their life now become as usual. They do not remember what something has happened with them. So if I lose wealth, it is said that we have lost nothing, because during the time we can balance ourselves in case of wealth, either liquid money or permanent asset. Now nowadays we have got lots of examples, and you also take lots of the examples. The poor person now become rich, the rich now become poor. It is our thinking, it is our thoughts, it is our way of habit, way of dealing, way of principle, following the principle. Wealth may come or go in our life. So wealth is transferable. If I lose wealth, no people can blame on us. If I gain wealth, in this case also, no any people can blame us, because it is totally depend on us, and that effect of our labor thinking, we can lose or we can gain wealth in our society. So if I lose wealth, it means we have lost nothing. And in case of the health, if I take the example of health, people say that if we lose health, it cannot be regained in original, and we may fall into the prey of different kinds of the diseases. It may also be possible that our hard-earned money, our entire hard-earned money, can be spent in regaining the health. So if I lost health, it means we have lost something. In this case also, our reputation remains same in our society. If we are healthy or we are unhealthy, it doesn't matter before the society. We have not lost our prestige, our value, our place in our society as well as in our family. Because if I lose health, what effect personally occur on us? We do not feel easy. We do not spend sound sleeping. We may fall into the prey of different kinds of diseases. We feel weak due to the poor health. So if I lost health, we cannot get in original. What health we get originally, if I lost it by our bad habits, here I want to say bad habit means smoking, taking alcohol, not following the routine, not having the good behavior, not giving value of others, and these are the bad habits due to which we lose our health. So if I lost the health, a lots of the problem we have to face in our life. So something we lost here. It is also said that if I lost our health, we lost something. But in case of character, here character means our personality. Personality depend on many different features. Good personality related to our thinking, way of dealing, way of doing, behavior, discipline, confidence, honesty, truthfulness, transparency, punctuality, sincerity. Our good character depend on this. And by chance, if I lost our character, definitely we can say that we lost everything. We lost our health, wealth, and many more things at a time if I lose our character. Character is very important nowadays in our society. It improves our personality. If we are having the good character, it means we are punctual, we are sincere, we are honest, we are hardworking, we are bold from internally and externally. We are also having the helping nature. We know the importance of time, not only for ourselves but also for others. Definitely a person of a strong character never deceive other, never cheat other, never try to harm other. They believe on God, they believe on themselves. They give the importance of value in society. They also give the importance of others. It doesn't matter one is poor or one is rich, but a man of a strong character deal the same with all kinds of the people. Their honesty and transparency and sweet behavior are their principle, are their way of life. So if I lose our character, we lose everything. People do not trust on us. People do not get value us in our society as well as in our family. In this case, what happened with you? What happened with us? A lots of the problem, common problem also, and some exceptional problem also happen with us. If the process of losing of character goes for a long time, it means definitely people begin to separate from us and we feel alone. We do not hope any kinds of the support, any kinds of relation from other, because we have lost our character. And In this case, negative thoughts, negative energy begin to develop in our life, in our mind, and in this way we lost the faith on not only ourselves but even in God. In every video I try my best to discuss something over the God. God is our supreme form of energy and permit all around us in form of different kinds, and they watch our all activity. So a man of a strong character always believe in it and always are in a state to get the spiritual energy from different form of the God. So through this video I want to say that character is most important. Characters, a good characters, a strong characters always make us balance in every different kinds of situation. It makes us enable to develop more and more good features in our life, and that features make us enable to make record after records in every walk of life. And to form the character totally depends on us. The three things what I discussed, like wealth, health and character, all these things totally depend on us. Either we conserve it or keep it protected, or make the way to lose it, make the way to come from our life, go out from our life also. So it totally depends on us what we need and in which way we want to lead our life in society. So through this video I want to say that protect the character, conserve the character, shape the character, even by losing everything, but character must not be lost. Character makes us enable to get everything, either health or wealth or other things also. So character is important and it totally depends on us. We try our best to shape our character in every kinds of situation either good or bad is not permanent stay with us, it may come and go. So in both of the cases we must be stable and stand at a place. From there we shape our character. So I think if you like this video, please subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also comment me along with the topics desired by you, and in my next video I shall take all the topics subject selected by you along with the discussed in details, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.